isn't happening again.
Here goes.
I got it. I gotta go get Tinker after this.
Hi, Joey.
You know, at a distance, that dog always looks like a one-year-old.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, with the color.
Come on, girl.
The color and the ears.
She's beautiful.
She is beautiful. She is.
I had a Doberman when I was married to my first husband, and she was awesome.
Have the pole coming over this thing behind you here.
And I like the fact that the ears are not cropped.
Yeah, mine weren't cropped either.
Good.
I think it looks better when they're not
They don't
cropped.
go after boar anymore. Why would they? You know,
Yeah.
it's kind of like